So in the markets, we have different kind of trends. We have the uptrends, we have the downtrend, and we have price play in ranges. So if you see this particular market, this is XPS 500. You can see we have a trend here. We have a little bit of downtrend here. We have another trend here. We have a downtrend here. Just a little bit of it. Then we have another uptrend here. So looking at this, just from the layman perspective, what did you notice? We can see here that price is predominantly buying on this particular pair. So when you notice that, and when you know that as a trader, it just basically lets you understand that you should be around the area, or you should be trading with the masses. So let me use a quick analogy. So let's say you are surfing and you go to the beach. Are you looking to surf when there's no wave? I think for me, so I think it's more advisable to surf when there is waves in the sea. So let's say you if you notice the OG surfers or the professional surfers, they don't go to surf when there is no wave, because the wave helps you to surf. It keeps your momentum going. So it's just the same way in the market. You can't be looking to, let's say in this particular area now, you can see that from the obvious, you can see prices continuously buying. Then you're now looking to find short position around here, or looking to go short around here because, okay, price shows you a little bit of weakness, forgetting to look at the overall play in the market that is clearly on the upside. Now look at, if you're looking to buy, look at how many positions you can get, and you are able to follow the trend. You're able to follow what other people idea in the market is. You're able to follow the crowd. In the market, it pays you to just surf with the rest of the crowd. Everybody is buying. It's better to buy than to just start looking for to maybe to stand out and looking to short in the. I'm not saying standing out is not a good idea, but in the market, it pays you to follow the trend. If the trend is going short in this particular area here, look for opportunities to go short. There are loads of opportunity here to go short. And you see, when you take trades in area where price is maybe trending in that direction, you're able to get your money and flow with the trend. But once you start going against the trend, the trend is up, and you're looking to start shorting because you're looking for quick positions to join the market or start shorting the market, you end up getting trapped, and people will continue to buy because the predominant wave of the market is the buyers are in the market and they're currently buying. So it pays you to just buy. So you got levels in this area, you find a way to buy, and you can see the flow easy as it is. Remember, when you're in the market, just anytime you think about breaking the rule or not following the trend, just remember this analogy I gave you. A surfer always finds always goes to surf when there is a wave and follows the wave of the ocean. You don't go against the wave. You're basically doing rubbish. You're not doing what you're supposed to do to help you get the better hang of the wave. You go with the wave so you can flow properly with the ocean, and you can surf properly and get good levels to surf. It's just the same way in the market. When you are in the market and you're looking for trades, whether to buy or to go long or to go short, it's better for you to follow what the masses are doing. The masses are looking to go short. This is based off your strategy. You don't just go to the market bare and just start looking for short positions. And no, you have to test time and time again or understand what to do in the market. Then you look for positions that support the overall play in the market. So we can see from this particular level here that after price created this double bottom here, it starts going up. You can go on the smaller time frame and find positions. Let's say here now, you can go on the smaller time frame and find positions to join the buyers and continue to buy instead of looking to go short. See, as you buy here, market is just easy for you to just get your 1 to 2.5, your 1 to 3. If you buy here, easy for you to get, see your 1 to 3 or your 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 2. You can even get more than that, but just make sure you are in tune with the flow of the market. And that's the basis of today's video. Remember to always follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, as we'll be here to continue to give you value. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.